What's up, people? What's up, people? It's the Pip Magnet back again, day 3. This is day 3 on the 51-second index. We did see the series. We did start on the first day, and we said on hold it and see how far it goes. We still haven't hit take profit, but we didn't manage to enter another sell. So let me just walk you guys through how I ended up coming to the conclusion of entering another sell. So as you can see, we saw the market shot down. Let me just draw for you guys. As you can see, the market shot down and it came to that point. Right, shot down and came to that point. Then the market did a retracement. So like I said, I was gonna try do a video where I can show you guys about order blocks, and so you guys can have more understanding on order blocks and how to trade with order blocks and stuff like that. But this is not that video. This is just like an update on the series. I will still make videos, and I still do want you guys to comment and tell me what would you guys would like to see. What would you guys like to learn? So you can give me the stuff that you guys want to learn, so I can just try explain to you guys so you can have a better understanding. But anyway, the market shot down as we had taken the first sell up there. The market shot down all the way down to the point where it is, where the arrow is ending there. And then when the market reached this point, I did realize that okay, we had a point of interest right here. If you can look here on the left, we had a point of interest. So why I call it a point of interest is because the market did a mini retracement, creating an order block. So that was like the bullish candle, the green one, if you can see that green candle, trying to push to the upside, did a retracement, and then the market failed the retracement and it shot all the way down to where we were, to here. And then so what I just did, I just monitored it, watched it, and then I knew that the market eventually was going to have to come back and retrace. So when I saw the market shooting up again back to this position, I then knew that okay, obviously the market is going to still continue down, because the market didn't manage to break this point. But if the market had came back to this position and shot up and then broke that point, then I was going to know that okay, the trend is changing, and now we are going to an uptrend. Because remember, with uptrend, it's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then with downtrend, it's lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, like that. So yeah, basically here, if you do look at it, we are having lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, we had a lower low here, lower high here, lower low here, lower high here, lower low there, lower high there, lower low there, lower high there. Then the market kind of then did a little bit of trickery, trying to confuse people. So you see, like what I was telling you guys about the liquidity sweep, I think I did tell you that on the first video of the series, liquidity sweep. So if you can see, the market here was actually trapping people right there, and then it came back to collect. You see there, it came back to collect all those stop losses that people had put here, stop losses and orders, buy orders. Some people had put buy stops there, thinking that okay, once the market breaks this point here, it's now an uptrend. A lot of people, they see things differently. If you don't have enough knowledge, you're gonna see it differently. So if other people who are thinking no, it's gonna be a buy, once it breaks, it's gonna be a buy, they put their buy stops right here. Then the market just came to collect all those buy stops and go down. And that's how the market does tricky. But I will make a video on that, so you guys can have more understanding. But day 2, and this is how day 3, and this is how we're looking. We're still shooting to the downside. We're still actually trying to collect our take profit. So anyway, now that I see that the market is looking like this, I can then now adjust this stop loss and maybe put it right there, and then we can have a list of $52 profit if the market does decide to turn around. Because remember, like I said last time, if the market could be on a downtrend, but anytime the market can decide to turn around. So at the end of the day, nobody really controls the market. Like you can't really say, okay, the market is selling and then you're gonna sell and you're gonna hold and then you're gonna say that's what it's gonna be forever. That's why, like I said in the first video, you gotta keep monitoring it, you gotta keep watching it, looking at it, so you can always know what's going on. Otherwise, the moment you just stop looking at it, that's the moment things can just turn and change for you. So anyway, this is day 3. Sorry, why do I keep saying day 2? This is day 3 and this is how we're looking. This is just the update. I'll just keep updating you guys until we hit take profit, if we do hit take profit. Because I don't want to sound like those people will be like, yeah, we know what we're doing, well, I do know what I'm doing, but I don't want to sound like those people who act like they're 100% in control of the market, because nobody is 100% in control of the market. So at the end of the day, it is risk to reward with trading. You do risk for your rewards, but it is worth it. It is a skill that's worth knowing. So if you really are interested in learning how to trade and actually polishing up your skills of trading, do subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, share the link with your friends and family. And we're going to be opening a new Telegram channel, and then I will put the link for you guys in the description, and then you guys can then join the Telegram channel, and then I'll be giving out signals maybe once a day, twice a day to people for free, and just grow together from there. But anyway, this is day 3 and this is how we're looking so far. We're still going to the downside. As you can see, the market is still pushing to the downside. You see there, we are still pushing. We did break, as you can see right now, we already broke this low here. We've broken this low over here, so that does show us that the market is going to push to the downside. Actually, let me just see something. Just do that. Okay, so basically, let me just give you, for those people who haven't entered this trade, let me actually see if I can, if you're watching in real time, let me actually see if I can help you out to see if you can enter this trade, because this looks like it's still going to go down for a while. So since we broke this low over here, what we're going to do, we're going to wait for the market to shoot down and then wait for it to retrace. So the market is going to shoot down and then it might retrace to this point again and then shoot to the downside. But like I said, remember, no one knows 100% what's going on. It's always assumptions with trading, but it's calculated guesses. But anyway, so what we're going to do, we'll just look at the chart, just monitor it, and then as soon as it shows some sort of retracement, then you should enter your sales and then just put your stop losses just above the retracement. So I will see if I can let me actually see if I can make the Telegram channel as soon as possible, so I can start actually giving you guys signals, and then we take it from there. But anyway, without further ado, let me not take much of your time. This is day 3. This is how we're looking, and then see you guys on day 4. Peace.